To become battery of Asia, well, we really have to understand battery is not powering everything, but to initiate the supply of power. So even to do that, the most important thing is that you have to have enough transmission capacity, what we call it, to be able to dispatch from generation sources to a load center. And especially when you talk about thousands of megawatts, it needs a lot of high voltage transmission system to be able to be flexible in dispatching those energy. And the biggest challenge is that the more you talk about, the higher investment you need. And especially for the transmission and substation system, all these hardwares, it's a large investment at the beginning. And the payback period is very long. So the difficult part is that how do we mobilize the financing of all these transmission systems? And even with the support of the concession loans and other things, people need it because of the different time frames of the generators. So the challenge is how do we incorporate these different time frames? That is the main challenge for Laos to be able to become the battery of Asia. Our thinking at this moment is that we may have to mobilize financing, both from the bilateral and multilateral institutions for concessional loans to be able to take care of this long-term payback period. But we may need the private sector, IPP from different generators to do it on a project-by-project basis. But later, of course, it has to be integrated. That is a difficult part to mobilize the financing for such large investment.